Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a little dinosaur. So let's get started. To draw this super cute dinosaur, let's first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here with a really big curve because I want to draw this big, I guess like a mochi shaped head. So nice and round at the top. I'm just going to draw a big curve. About right there, and then I'm going to start to bring it down, so it's going to be wider about right here where the cheeks are. And I'm taking a little bit longer because I'm drawing really big, so bear with me here. And we're going to start to bring it in and then just kind of flatten it out a little bit at the bottom. So just like a big mochi ball. I'm not going to close it up, so I'm just going to kind of bring it about right there on both sides. And now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to stop. So now that I have this in, I'm going to go ahead and come right into the center area. Let's say about right here, and I'm just going to draw the mouth. So let's say, okay, let's about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve for the mouth right in the center. Then I'm going to just round off this corner on both sides and just connect it with a curve, a deeper curve, and bring it in. Then let's come right here and just draw a little line, and then we're going to draw some teeth. So I'm just going to go zigzag 3 times and go across, and then go ahead and draw the eyes right next to it. So about right here, go ahead and draw a circle for an eye. And because it's not that big, I'm just going to go ahead and draw 2 highlights, just like my Draw So Cute eyes. But at the bottom, I'm just going to draw a curve so we can put some color, but I'm not going to put in any lines in there because it's just too small. And then just shade all this top part in. There. So this way you can put some color in the eye. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And draw the other eye. So it's about the same size, right there, and then so same thing. There. And then now that we have that, let's go above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. Aww. And then when you color, it'll make more sense with the mouth. So then from there, let's go ahead and come back to the top. Find your center. Go up about right here. We're going to go straight up about right there. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to round off this tip and come down to create this triangle. Then I'm going to draw 3 more coming down, and they're just going to get smaller as we come down, and I'm angling it. So 1 here, another one, and it's getting smaller, and 1 more. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's say about right here, kind of like the edge of the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this simple little body, so a slight angle coming out. And then we're going to just connect it at the bottom of a curve. About right here. There. And so then now that we have that, I'm going to come right here and just draw a little foot. Nice and simple. That's the whole goal of this drawing, is just to make it super simple and cute. There, and I'll just come in here and just draw 2 little lines. And then for the hands, same thing. And same thing here. There. And then we're going to draw the tummy area. So let's come right about here where the foot is. And I'm just going to go up. A nice big curve and bring it right back down to here. There. And then I'm just going to lightly draw 3 curves going, 2 curves going across. There. Okay, and the last thing we need to do, draw is a tail. So let's come right about here. And I'm just going to round it off and tuck it right back in. And then once again, we need to draw these little scales coming down. And one last small little one. And let's see. And then of course we need to add a heart. So I will, oh, I'm so tempted. Okay, you know what? Let's just add it here really lightly. So tempted to put it here. But I think I'll just leave it here to make this my just so cute dinosaur. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.